the summer of love.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add Snapcode on your story or any pictures. Open your Snapchat. Now tap on your avatar. Again tap on your avatar and save to your device. Now go to camera roll and select the save picture. Now tap on the three dot on your top right screen. Then click edit. Now tap on the scissor and select the Snapcode. Click on Done and save as copy. Now capture or select your picture you want to add your Snapcode. Now select stickers and tap on Sizzle, then you can select your Snapcode and add to the picture. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more videos.